when dealing with body hair, you need to look at the source, the skin, the toughness of the skin, the depth of the graft, the attachment. There's so many factors once it comes to body hair.
Body hair extraction in the arm using a 20 gauge punch from a Zeus. It's the setting where increase the U force, because the skin is a little thicker, but really doing well. I don't think that with another machine I'll be able to do this. So, very easy. You can see patient has good type of hair, 2 and 3 hairs, and you want me to take everything.